Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am the teacher of class 6. My name is Miss Nazia. I am your English teacher. Dear students and parents, I hope you all are fine at your homes. You all know about the pandemic of COVID-19. So because of this, I have started my lecture through this way. My English A lecture. Now you may open your books and move on. Today we are going to study our first poem, Mother to Son. I hope you all will understand. The first of all, the things we must have in our minds is the meaning of difficult words. First word is crystal. Crystal means a high quality clear. Next word is honey. Honey means a term of endearment. Next word is sit down. Sit down here means sit down. Splinters. Splinters mean sharp. Task. Task means short nails with a flat head. Now I will explain the main theme of the poem. In this poem, mother is talking to her son that life is not easy in this world. It has many problems, it has many difficulties, it has something and unexpected situations, so we must be ready for any kind of test and trials. So this mother is telling the realities of life. She is giving some examples for a staircase. In this poem, the mother is making her child's minds. He must be ready for the challenges. They must be ready for the problems. They must be ready for the difficulties. According to Shakespeare, life is not a piece of cake. Means life is not that much easy that our new generation is considering about. Another thing sir had said that life is like an ice cream, lick it before it melts. Mean love the life you people live. Spend it peacefully and face its difficulties with strength. Now we are going to start reading the poem. As I have told you, the topic of poem Mother to Son, the topic seems that mother is telling something to son.
Her child mind that he must be ready for the challenges, they must be ready for the...
Well, son, I tell you, life for Aunt been no crystal stair. It had tasks in it, and splinters, and board torn up, and places with no carpet on the floor, bare. She is describing that, my dear son, I would like to tell you that life is not a very easy thing to live. It is just like a staircase. She is describing it has not been no crystal stair. Crystal stair means life is not easy for the mother. Life is too much harder. It had task in it. Task, I told you, it is like nails we use for wood like to hammer it. Actually, task here means the difficulties, the problems we face, and splinters in words meaning I told you sharp pieces of wood. So here she is describing there are tasks and splinters. It means there are many problems and many challenges. You have to cross and be able to succeed. And boards torn up means, she described board torn up means pieces that is dangerous for walking on. You can feel problem in places with no carpet on the floor. It means life is very difficult to face the challenges. Bare like without foot, without shoes. As mother says, I did not stop. I kept climbing up the stairs, climbing here. I has been a climbing on and reaching lands and turning corners and something going in the dark where there is aren't been no. Thanks for watching. I hope you have understand what I have delivered to you. You may keep praying for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to keep us safe, us and all the people of world from the present pandemic of COVID-19.